Hello everyone, so I'm pretty sure one of you are going to meet this problem. So basically this is a Toyota RAV4 2018. So basically the nut was spinning freely. So it was basically free spinning. It's not the threads on the nut itself, it was on the stud. So basically what I did was I punched a middle section of it, you see, and I drilled out the stud. So it took, it wasn't that bad. It was like 15 minutes because I was using these Cobalt Nordwolf. These are very, very sharp Cobalt HSS drilling bits. And then I moved up. I started from a smaller one and then I moved up and I ended with a 10 millimeter drill bit. This one is also Cobalt, but it's not as strong as the Nordwolf one. And I drilled out pretty much everything and it came out, luckily. And I was using throughout the way some drilling oil or cutting oil. And to hold the nut from spinning when you're drilling, I was using a socket holding by a vice grip. So this way you can drill through like this and still hold the nut from spinning itself. So this worked for me. Basically I was drilling all the whole stud, and the nut will be replaced obviously. I hope it helped you guys. So this happens a lot on North American cars where there's a lot of winters, a lot of salt being used, a lot of general bad weathers. Basically I used this DeWalt and it worked. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope it will help you take out this nut that's spinning freely. And it's not because the threads are broken on the nut, but because the stud is loose on the wheel hub from the back. So thank you guys for watching, and if this helped you, click the like button. If not, please comment down below and maybe subscribe for some more tips. Thank you. Have a good day.